Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install Apollo Group TV on your Firestick. So first off, on the main menu on your Firestick, scroll to the right and select the settings menu. So up here, and then also or here if you're on the new Firesticks, and then select My Fire TV icon. So this one on the if you're using a television with built-in Fire OS such as Insignia or Toshiba TVs, you'll be looking for device and software icon instead. If you're on new Firestick, it'll look like this. And then you need to enable developer options. So for all the Firestick, follow these steps. So scroll down and choose developer options, and then select apps from unknown sources, and then turn on this option so you can install the Apollo Group TV actually. And then if you are on a new Firestick, you'll have to hover over the about and then click the OK button, middle circle button on your remote 7 times to enable developer options, so similar like your phone. And then after clicking OK 7 times on the about, you will get a brief message saying you are already a developer. Now, after that, on the older Firestick, return to Firestick home screen and then hover over the question mark on the magnifying glass icon to search, or if you're on the new Firestick, click the option find there, or click the search option. And then in the downloader here, type in downloader, find it, and then pick this downloader, download that, and then you need to open, and then allow, and then select OK. And then in the home menu of the downloader app, select OK button on your remote to open the keyboard, and then enter this code 2993366, 2993366, right? In the home menu, and then select Go button. If you enter the URL correctly, the download will begin. This is the actual Apollo Group TV download. And then just select install, done. And then you can delete the APK file as well, just to free up space. And then you can return to the home screen, and then scroll down to your apps and channel to see all. And then you should see the Apollo Group TV app installed right there.